This is a Dream Giveaway Garage. My name is Walt Thurn. I'm a automotive journalist and have spent a lot of time in my career with Corvettes, including this beautiful C8. Had an opportunity to see the reveal in 2019 in California, and also went to the reveal of the convertible at the Space Coast. This particular 2021 Corvette, the engine was upgraded from 495 horse to 560. Okay, this particular car is equipped with the 3LT interior package, which is a premium package, and it also has the Z51 performance package, which includes the rear wing, different springs, and it's got extra cooling for the transmission. So it's a performance version of the C8. So as we walk around the car, first of all, the most dramatic thing about it is it's a mid-engine, which is the first for a Corvette. If you look at the other giveaway car we have here, this was one of the original style Corvettes that came out in 1953, and the engine in this car is in the front. And every Corvette up until 2020 had the engine in this location. This Corvette has the engine mid-engine. And the engine is sitting right in the middle of the chassis, right over the rear wheels, which makes this car extremely quick from a dead stop because all of the weight is over the rear wheels. And what you see here is the trunk that fits the top that comes off this car. And Lingenfelter has added this carbon package, this air intake system, and the throttle body, which is up the horsepower from 495 to 560. Also, this car is equipped, Lingenfelter put exhaust system on it from Porsche. This Corvette also has the extra wing on the Z51. This was an option, and it gives the car a very dramatic look. When you close the trunk on this car, I want you to notice that it has an automatic close feature that cinches it down. Now, the front of this car has what is called a frunk. This is a very good option that you can put a small travel bag in here. This is probably going to be deleted in the future with the other models, but this is a very handy option on this car. Okay, this car has an optional Aero carbon package that includes this spoiler here. This car also has front cameras here. So as you're coming up to a curb, you can see the front of the car so you don't bust all this up. In addition, this car also has a side carbon fiber package, Aero package. And it does say the Lingenfelter C8 on the side, identified as that. Has the black wheels, the red brake calipers, carbon mirrors. The roof is also carbon. So this is a nice optional package that you get with this car. Okay, this is the air intake system for the car. And the door handle, is under here. So you have to reach under to open the door. In addition to that, there's two radiators on the Z51 package. There's one in here for the transmission. There's one in here for it's an engine oil cooler. Okay, first of all, this steering wheel is new for the C8. And the reason they did this is they wanted to have it so you could look at the instrument panel through the top of the steering wheel. These are the shift buttons, up and down. You have all of the different functions on the steering wheel, cruise control, radio, everything, cruise and all that. On this side, this is the windshield wipers. This is an unusual cover here. Under here is a wheel that allows you to pick 5 instrument panel functions. And over here, this button is automatic lift system, which is really unique because it will memorize 1,000 locations. So for example, when you pull into your driveway, if you activate this system, the computer will remember this location. And the next time you enter that same location, it will automatically lift the car and then lower it back down. This button here is for the front camera that lights up the front so you can, when you pull the car in, which is a very good feature. And that shows on this instrument panel right here. This is a day-night mirror that has a surround that can see at night, because visibility is pretty limited in the back. But this mirror is very, very effective. And these buttons control the driver's compartment and the passenger compartment. You can do the air conditioning, you can do the seat heater, temperature control. All that is all in this stack. So both the passenger and the driver can do that. The transmission is interesting. It's a lift system. You pull this little button up, and you can pick drive, manual, park, reverse, and that's all right here. That's the entire steering or transmission control.